Hello, my name is Matt Conran from Network Insight and welcome to my course on implementing Docker security. I'm a lead network and security architect and I'm based in Dublin, Ireland. In this course we'll be discussing the key areas to help you develop and maintain a secure Docker environment. We will first address the main challenges for securing a containerized environment. Containerized technologies are dynamic and complex and require a new approach that can handle the agility and scale of today's landscape. I will highlight to you the initial security concerns and get you started with container security while exploring a starting strategy. We will then dig deeper into Docker container threats and highlight the key areas of workload security. We will then address the steps needed to harden your workloads and increase your security posture while examining Dockerfile best practices and some risky configurations you need to be aware of. We will then address the key areas of securing the Docker platform by discussing the host and Docker daemon security. There will also be some guidance on the security principles and image security. Finally, we will address the managing security in Docker Swarm and some of the Docker Swarm best practices available to you. In this course we will have theory, concepts and demonstrations. The practical use cases that I will present to you will put you in the shoes of starting Docker security with a problem scenario of a compromised environment. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of how to develop and maintain a secure Docker environment. I hope you join me on this journey to learn implementing Docker security course at Pluralsight.